This video, I'm going to talk about how I made this video. It was on December 28th, 2011. So it's the end of last year, 6:34 in the morning. I made this video that said,
we will begin the march. Igbos, arm yourselves and regroup in our tribal land. I am calling upon the millions. Terrorists. We will begin the march. Igbos, arm yourselves and regroup in our tribal land. I am calling upon the millions. Because my tribe is globally recognized. Because the Igbo nation is globally recognized. I am calling upon the millions. The Igbos in England, the Igbos in France and Germany and Canada and America, I am calling upon the millions. Arm yourselves, my people, arm yourselves. We cannot afford to lose Nigeria unjustified and for the wrong reasons. I'm here in America supporting you, and I will rejoin you soon, my brothers, for war, if that is what God wills. Arm yourselves. I'm calling upon the Igbos to create an army to defend our people. And I'm calling upon the millions who are abroad to throw in and invest in our people. Do not believe what the cowards have told you. They say I'm hiding in America while my people are dying. Do not believe the lies. Me, leave the corpse of my aunts who died in the Nigerian Civil War and not lift a finger to stop the scum? Do not believe the lies. The Jewish media is the biggest enemy and they're onto you. They're jealous of you. They want your oil. They want your country. They want to destabilize your region by using scum. I'm calling upon the millions to arm yourselves and to begin the march.
alright, so basically, the Nigerian officials came out in the news and they said in Niger State, basically by, the capital, that there was militants from the Boko Haram, and that the attacks were formerly confined to the northeast and the north, but now it has been attacks where I said there would be. Remember I said that they would spread out? Remember I told the people how to sweep for bombs? And what happened? Uyi Idgobai, pastor of Christ Embassy Church, spotted a suspicious package, and he alerted everyone. Then the blast struck, and they didn't have any casualties because I had told them ahead of time to sweep for the bombs. And I had not only told them what they already knew, but I made sure that they knew exactly how to do it. Anything out of the ordinary. Any place that makes sense for a simple-minded rag fucking head, or a covert operation special forces task force to place a bomb. And so the ragheads hit and missed. 1 for the Christians, 0 for the scum. If you would start the score here. But no. We started back in 2009 when I start talking about the Illuminati years before. 2 years before I start talking about Nigerian crisis. Why? Why you ask? Who do you think the Nigerians are? Why you think they're doing it? I had to bring you up to speed before I could begin to explain to you the complex political situation we have unraveling in Nigeria. You can't beat us, Boko. Boko the bozo, Boko the clown has failed again. Because God wills that we win, and your fucking pathetic sham of an effort, burning your own dick off, has been in vain. You scum.